Hi, I'm Kari Thomas, and this is my shop, Santa Barbara Gift Baskets. And today I'm going to show you how to put tissue in a gift bag. The materials that you'll need are your bag and your tissue. When you're selecting the tissue to go with your gift bag, I always like to use a couple of colors that coordinate with the bag. And so for this one, we're going to use a chocolate brown and a pink. And the way that I put tissue in a bag is after I have my item inside. If it's breakable, I will individually wrap the item inside of the bag with tissue, but then I add just the decorative tissues after the item's already inside. So I take the tissue and I fold it in half, and I grab the center and I just kind of snap it down. And I put that in. And now I'm going to use the other color. Again, just fold it in half. It kind of fans it out. I think I'm going to put the pink on both sides of the brown. And I think we'll do one more pink in the center. And then I think I'll do one more brown in the back. It's at varying heights and colors. That's how I put tissue in a gift bag.